Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn two things. One, how to launch the Playwright test or the browser on a second monitor. And the second, how to launch the Playwright test in headed mode by default. So by default, when we run Playwright in headed mode, the browser opens on the primary monitor. But when we have the extended or the second monitor configured, we can use Chromium launch argument through launch option to control where the browser window should start. So let me show you. So this is the command I'm issuing to run my test. Okay, npx playwright test, and I'm executing this spec file in headed mode by passing this -- or -- headed as an argument to this command npx. So let us see. Even if I am opening this in the headed mode, I don't see my Playwright. I don't see my Playwright window, or maybe I don't see my browser to be opened up in the second monitor. Okay. And also there is a need to, pass this headed as an argument to this command. So in order to overcome from this problem, or in order to, get this fixed, what you can do, you have to go to this playwright.config.ts, and then you will look for use. Okay, use block. So there are two use. So this use for the global variables, global settings. If you want to make, then you can put your configuration inside this use. Or if you want to go specific with your project, if you want to configure something specific to your project, then you should use this use block inside your project. Okay, so here after this, what we are going to do is, so inside this, what I will do, I will just add one column and put headless equal to false. Okay, I can use it like this also. Then make sure there is no error, and forget about these errors that we will talk about in those errors in the next episode. Those are kind of configuration related and worker related, right? So we'll talk about this. For now, make sure when you are pasting this snippet, or just use this snippet. Okay, I will also add this snippet to the description of this video. Then make sure there is no error. Okay, now what you are seeing here is like something related to that start maximized. So whenever you are launching your Playwright test, you're launching browser for the Playwright test, it will make sure that that window get maximized. Okay, and it will be positioned somewhere in 19, 20 and 0. So that is like your VS code and will have into the x equal to 0 position. Okay, and when it is your second monitor, then based on your monitor resolution, it will be like x value will be 1920. So it will be launching your test into this second monitor. Okay, so which is why window position is set to this one, x equal to 1920, to make sure that all your browser, when you are launching your Playwright test or executing your test in headed mode, then that browser window gets opened into the second monitor. Let me just run this. Did I save this? No, you have to save. You have to save after your changes. Then only. Now I will not be using this headed anymore. Just executing the same test without passing headed as an argument to this command npx playwright test. Okay, so example.spec.ts will be executed, and it will be executed on this monitor, unlike previous run, and it will also get maximized. So by the time it gets maximized, start maximized. Okay, and see all those tests are passed, and you can see the report. Okay, did I pass the headed argument? No, but it's still it went ahead and opened the test in the headed mode. Okay, so that's all from this video, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, and thank you for watching.